Look at that. Oh my gosh. I know, we should.
It's not that expensive.
Yeah, do you want to try?
I feel like that's what I was thinking. But then I looked and it showed that it was on. Oh, they got durian. No, thank you.
Coconut mixed fruit sundae. That looks good.
Oh, what's black rice? Sounds weird. The one you picked looks the best.
Coconut mixed fruit? What about this one? Green tea, red
That
bean.
looks good too.
Let's
No,
go try.
But we're gonna share one.
Oh, you don't want to get your own? Good price. Let's just go get our own. You can try two different ones. Which one do you want?
Okay, then I'll take the. Wait, let me get the other things.
Austin can wait a little while more.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
No, he can wait a little while more. It's okay.
Mango juice or watermelon.
This is stuff we have to do.
Stuff I have to do. Okay, I'll take the green tea.
Yeah? You sure? You okay with that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Okay. We order from the screen? Or? Okay. I want to get the coconut mixed fruit sundae, and then she wants the green tea
This
red
one.
bean sundae.
Yeah. Is it for here to go?
For here. Yeah, for here.
Yeah, I got it.
No, that's all for today.
I got it.
Okay. No, I got it, hun. I got it.
Can I get a name for you?
Sure, Luke. Text message.
Could you enter your
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. You want to sit in the corner table?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I'm gonna sit by you.
go. Sit inside. Unless you want to sit in this other chair.
Everybody came to take my food. Wow, this is a treat.
Oh, we're gonna try someplace new.
Mango.
Mango.
We got mango, but none of us have mangoes in our thing. Maybe you might have, yeah, mixed fruit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like this bag.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii if you haven't already. We're just walking around Moana shopping, Moana Center. Today we had to pick up some things and buy some stuff for a trip that we're going on, and then and I got to get some video, anyways, yeah, to release for the walk. This video probably not going to come out until we are on our trip. Thanks for watching. Nice. Thank you.
Wow, pretty. Wow. Picture.
I wasn't ready.
That was fast.
That looks so good. Huh? Okay.
What the? Oh, watermelon. Watermelon, bananas, and mango. What's the best view of this?
Sorry. You want? You can move it.
Oh, this. This. Wow, yours is so pretty. I can't get everything in there.
Want me to move it around?
Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, dig in.
But that's yours.
You can try some.
I might. I don't really care for Zookeeper. Every time I try it, I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna like it, and then no, I don't. It's just how it is, right?
Oh, there's cream underneath it. Oh, this is pretty good. And it's not too sweet, but it is underneath.
Oh,
That's good.
I'm gonna try it.
No, mine is good.
I know, but just try it.
Okay, you try some of mine too, though.
Yeah. I will. Oh, the mango is just perfect tart.
Oh, yeah?
I don't think you'll like the mango. Try the banana with or strawberry.
I can eat the banana.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, that's better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's good, Cheryl.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Want some more?
No. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Good snack.
Just interesting.
Yeah, that is good.
Watermelon, that's watermelon. Watermelon. My favorite is the banana.
Yeah, the banana was good.
And the mango is really good. I like the tart. But I know you might not like it, so I was like... You mean the mango?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and the coconut's just perfect in this. I don't know why.
Yeah, oh good.
This is something everything. Can't even see anything past the cream. I don't know why with the coconut it's so good. You want to try the watermelon one? Okay.
I'm okay.
You need some water?
No, I'm okay.
I really like the coconut. I don't know why.
What? The coconut ice cream. Oh, you have coconut in here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Try it.
Shredded.
Yeah, it's like shredded. It's soft.
No, I'm okay.
It's not like hard, dry. It's really yummy. So wait, we just need to go.
Fancy.
Oh yeah, and then Old Navy.
Tuesday Old Navy. Oh, that's it.
I don't. We'll see how in TNC. I don't know if I want to go there. If
Where? Okay, go.
I wonder if there's a sale.
We're right here.
I don't know, but I wonder if there's a sale.
I'm sure they will. Summer sale.
We already spent a lot of money.
Oh, how do you go from
That's true. Well, we better hurry. We're gonna catch the lunch crowd coming in for cocoa curry.
It didn't feel like we were here that long.
Yeah.
I was going to run from the candy store.
Yeah,
That was fun though.
That was fun.
There's some unusual stuff. Okay. Is your thing still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
No, I just wondering.
This one. Oh yeah, it's catching you too.
Yeah.
That was so good. I'm coming back again. That was perfect. Thank you. It was so good. Thank you.